Ni hao ma, wo hen hao, ni na, wo ye hen hao. Okay, so welcome to my Chinese language club, which we are running under an umbrella of A Square House, right? So today, obviously, if you really want to speak very good Chinese, so these modules will help you out, because whatever I will explain to you in Chinese, it is very important. You have to go in my description box, because in my description box entire script I have already been pasted in the description. So the moment I will send you the link, or if you will go in my YouTube channel, so it just you have to click the link, listen, and if I'm saying Kong Chung Shir, I know you'll say Kong Chung Shir, fine, but what is the spelling of this? Because we are doing pin in over here in China, we're not doing characterization. I will definitely give you the characterization also, like how the character works in Chinese. We have a system basically to go for characterization. We have a pattern, we have a formulas, right? But if I'm saying Kong Chung Share, okay, so Kong Chung Share we call as engineer, but how you will come to know, because we have different sound. Kong Chung Share, Kong Chung Share, Chung, because the Chung is Ch, CH sound is Ch. So I will mention entire transcription vocabulary in my description box, like the spelling P in vocab is already over here. Kong, GONG CHENG SHI, Kong Chung Shir, engineer. So what you will do is, the moment you will open the link, you will have to go in my description box, read it, and then listen. Clear? Okay. So we have if I'm saying Tongla ma, understand Tongla, I will understand. Okay. Now Kong Chung Shir, Tha. Tha is basically he and she. Thaman, speak up. Thaman. Shu, Shu is my book. Shu, Chir, Chir is my paper. Chir, ZHI sound is chir. So chir is my paper. Pao, Pao is my newspaper. Hua Pao is basically a pictorial. See, I'm giving the vocabulary, and definitely I will go over the conversation after vocab, right? So we have puns, puns. Sorry, it will come to the vocab. Puns, we have a notebook. Puns. Kang Pi, Kang Pi, Kang Pi, we have pen. Kang Pi, speak up. Kang Pi, Qian Pi, Qian Pi, we have pencil. So Kang Pi, we have pen. Qian Pi, we have pencil. If I'm saying Yuan Chupi, Yuan Chupi, Yuan Chupi, we have ballpoint pen. Yuan Chupi. So if I'm repeating one more time. Kang Pi, speak up. Kang Pi, we have pen. Qian Pi, we have pencil. Yuan Chupi. I'm saying Yuan Chupi. So Yuan Chupi is basically your ballpoint pen. Ying Yui, speak up. Ying Yui, Ying Yui, Ying Yui, speak up. Ying Yui, Ying Yui is your English. Liu Shuisheng, Liu Shuisheng. Shuisheng is basically your student. So I'm saying student studying abroad. So Liu Shuisheng, Liu Shuisheng, Liu Shuisheng. So, and I will already mention, because description has been already there. Okay. Pang Yo, speak up. Pang Yo, I will mention now. I will also pen down side by side. Pang Yo, speak up. Pang Yo. Pang Yo is basically your friend. Pang Yo, speak up. Pang Yo, speak up. Pang Yo, speak after me. Pang Yo. So Pang Yo is basically your friend. Sai, Sai, Sai. You have to go for my, the sounds. Sai. Sai is basically my, because the side which I am speaking also, I'm going to pen down also, write it also in my notepad, so that what I'm saying, I'm going to pen down and will paste in my description box. Sai is my in and at. Patching Yuan, Patching Yuan, Shui Yuan, Patching Yuan, Shui Yuan, Patching Yuan, Shui Yuan. Patching is badging. Yuan is basic language. Shui Yuan is an institute. Shui Yuan. So I'm saying patching Yuan, Shui Yuan. Patching Yuan is your language. Yuan. So I'm saying patching Yuan, Shui Yuan. Patching Yuan, Shui Yuan. Shui Yuan is an institute. If I am an institute of A Square language, okay, which we are running since 40 years, a lot of students, they already enroll themselves in Chinese language, and they already be in the good level. If you need my assistance in terms of translation in Chinese, you can definitely take my help. Shui Yuan is my basically institute. Shui Yuan. I'm saying patching Yuan, Shui Yuan. Patching Beijing, patching Yuan language. Shui Yuan is my institute. Okay. Kuo, speak up. Kuo. Kuo is my country. Kuo is my German country. Germany. Kuo. Kuo. Kuo is your friends. Because Kuo is my country. If I will Fa Kuo is my friends. Mai Kuo. Speak up. Mai Kuo. Mai Kuo is your United States of America. United States of America is Mai Kuo. Ripan. Ripan is your Japan. Ripan. So I'm saying Shui Yuan is your institute. Ta Kuo is your Germany. Fa Kuo is your France. Mai Kuo is your US. United States of America. And Ripan is your Japan. Now we'll go for a conversation. If I'm saying Ni shir shui sheng ma, I'm asking to you. Ni shir shui sheng ma. Ni shir, you are student kya? Ni shir shui sheng ma, are you a student? Are you a student? Ma is my question particle. So ni shir shui sheng ma. Ni shir shui sheng ma. Wo shir shui sheng? Wo shir shui sheng? I'm a student. If I'm saying ni shir shui sheng ma. Ni shir shui sheng ma. Wo shir shui sheng. 我是学生，你是学生吗？我是学生，他是学生吗？他是学生，他不是教师，他是老师。I'm saying，他是学生吗？不，no，他不是学生，他是老师。He's not a student，他不 is not，他不是学生 ，he's not a student，他是老师 ，he is a teacher。I'm repeating one point. 你是学生吗？我是学生。他是学生吗？他不是学生，他是老师。他也是老师吗 ？He's also a student. 他也是老师吗？不，他不是老师，他是大夫。So I'm asking to you. 你是学生吗？我是学生。他是学生吗？他不是学生，他是老师。他也是老师吗？他也是老师吗？不，他不是老师，他是大夫。Is not a professor, is a doctor. Is that clear to you? If I'm saying to you, for example, one second. If I'm saying to you, let me pen down first. 1 second, yeah. Let me pen down the vocabularies over here. Okay, if I'm saying, thing one. If I'm saying to you, thing one, share Chongkuo Run. Thing one is the name of the person. If I'm saying Tingwan Shir Chongkuo Run Chongkuo. Tingwan is a Chinese person. Tingwan Shir is MR Chongkuo Run Chongkuo. Chongkuo is basically your China. Run is your country. Tingwan Shir Chongkuo Run Ta Shi Shui Sheng Ta Shui Shi Ying Hui. Listen to me very carefully. Very carefully. Tingwan Shir Chongkuo Run Ta Shi Shui Sheng Ta Shui Shi Ying Hui. See, I'm repeating one more time over here. Let me pen down, please. Tingwan Shir Chongkuo Run. Tingwan is the name of the person. Shir Chongkuo Run. Well, a Chinese person, right? Chinese person. Ta Shi Shui Sheng, he is a student. Ta Shui Shi Ying Hui. Shui Shi study. He's studying English. Is that clear to you? Clear? So I'm saying Ta Shi Liu Shui Sheng. Ta Shir, you are a student studying abroad. Ta Shir Liu Shui Sheng. Ta Shir Liu Shui Sheng. Ta Shui Shi Han Hui. He is studying Chinese Han Hui. Ta Shir Han Hui. Speak up. Ta Shir Han Hui. Is that clear to you? So if I'm saying, repeating one more time, for example, if I'm saying Tingwan Shir Chongkuo Run, Ta Shir Shui Sheng, Ta Shui Shi Ying Hui, Ta Shir Liu Shui Sheng, Ta Shir Han Hui. Is that clear to you? Ta Shir Liu Shui Sheng, Ta Shui Shi Han Hui is studying Chinese. Is that clear to you? If I'm saying Tingwan, her. Tingwan is the name of the person. Her is my aunt. Tingwan, her, Hali, Shir Pangkyo. Pangkyo is your friend. Pangkyo. Already been there in the description. Whatever I'm saying, don't worry. Everything is I have pasted in my description box. Pangyo, P-E-N-G-Y-O-U. Pangyo is your friend. So I'm saying Tingwan is the name of the person, her, and Hali is the name of the person. Shing Pangyo. It means Tingwan and Hali are friends. Is that clear to you? Clear? Now, for example, if I'm saying Thaman, they, Thaman, Tsai, patching, Yuan, Shui Shi. Understand my vocab. What I'm saying is Thaman, they, Tsai is my preposition in and at, patching, badging. Yuan is your language. Yuan. Shui Yuan is your institute. Shui Shi is your study. So I'm saying Thaman, Tsai, patching, Yuan, Shui Shi. Repeating one more time. Thaman, Tsai, Thaman, Tsai, patching, 他们在北京语言学院学习。他们在北京语言学院学习。Repeating, I'm repeating. 他们在北京语言学院学习。they 在 in and at Beijing 语言 is language 语言 already been there in the description box. I mentioned the vocabulary. Yuan is your language, Shuiyuan is your institute, and Shuichi is your study. I'm saying they study at Beijing Language Institute. Okay, 他们在北京语言学院学习。他们在北京语言学院学习。Is that clear to you? So that's how the language works, right? So I believe obviously it will help you out, and definitely. So by the time Sai Qian, Xie Xi, take care.